Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Leela Web Dev. In today's video, we will see about the Readable Streams, the Node.js documentation, what it has given. So now we have already explored the Readable Streams, right? And now it's time to complete the Readable Streams also. So now here let's try to open the Node.js documentation, what they have given. Let's try to see. Let's go to the docs. So now here we need to go to the streams. So here this is the streams and we have completed about the writable streams. Come down. So these are all the properties we have seen, and now this is the readable stream. So here you will be able to see the readable stream about this one. So now readable streams, just like the writable streams, these are the way to handle the data efficiently in chunks. They allow us to read the large files or responses from HTTP servers without loading everything into memory. And depending on what you are reading, files, HTTP requests or response, the readable stream behaves like a little differently. So here you will be able to see the HTTP responses on the client, whereas the writable streams you will be able to see the HTTP responses on the server. The same thing. So read streams like this, in all these places we will be using the readable streams, they are saying. So now this is defined by the stream.readable class. So normally if you try to see, there are two reading modes, it seems. For readable streams there are two reading modes. So what is this reading mode? So two reading modes, that is nothing but flowing and also parsed. These are the two modes which you will be having. That is the main thing which you need to understand. So readable streams in Node.js have two modes, parsed mode and also flowing mode. By default all streams will be in parsed mode only. So that's why when you create a read stream, it will be in the parsed mode. So here somewhere they will be writing in flowing mode. So these modes are object mode, readable stream, regardless of whether it is flowing mode or okay. So all readable streams begin in a parse mode but can be switched to flowing mode in any one of the following ways. So that is the thing. In parsed mode, so if you want to read the stream.read method must be explicitly to read the chunks of the data from the stream. So now if you want to switch from parsed mode to the flowing mode, so we need to add a data event handler. So just like how we have added, or otherwise you need to call the stream.resume method. This one also we have seen, and we need to call the stream.pipe method to send the data to a writable stream. So we haven't learned about this pipe method, so I will try to explain you about this pipe method in our upcoming videos. Just keep it aside for the time being. So these are the three ways which the readable stream will be converted from the parsed mode to the flowing mode. By default, when we start a readable stream, it will be in the parsed mode. So the readable stream can be switched back to the parsed mode in any of the following ways: by calling the stream.parse mode, or otherwise you can remove by calling the unpipe method. Okay. So the only way which we know is the parsed mode only, so which we have seen it. So when the stream is flowing or when the stream is coming, we are reading the data. So if you want to stop the data from reading, means we need to call the stream.parse, which we have did it. If the stream.write returns false. So now this is all they are trying to give you about this one. So if a readable switch is switched into flowing mode and there are no consumers available to handle data, the data will be lost. This can be occur, for instance, when so this is all common. So now they are trying to tell you. And the another one which they are telling is there will be three states for the two modes of operation for readable stream. So there will be three states. One is the readable flowing. So if you want to get this property, means it is telling the readable flowing null means it hasn't started. Readable flowing, if it is false, means so it has been flowing but it is parsed. Readable flowing true means it is flowing. So here you will be able to see the readable flowing is null means no mechanism for consuming the stream data has been provided. So that means any of the three ways, something like data, stream.resume, stream.pipe. So nothing is provided, so that's why it will be in the null. So therefore the stream will not generate data. While in the state of attaching listener for the data event call readable.pipe method or so something like this, these all means then it will switch from readable.readableFlowing to true. So then it will convert to true. Why? Because flowing state is, or otherwise if you have parsed the term means then it will be false. So that's the thing. So this is what they are trying to tell you, and they have given some simple example. So here you need to understand another one. So while you are writing the readable streams, you need to choose only one API style. So what is this one API style? Either if you want to read the data, you need to use the on-off data event or on-off readable or pipe or async address. So this is the thing. So any one only you need to use, on off data or on off readable or pipe or async. So using a combination of these all the things, if you try to use it, means then it will lead to a initiative behavior. So it will not be expected as expected. So that is the main thing. So the Readable Stream API evolved across multiple Node.js versions and provides multiple methods of consuming the stream data. So choose any one of the method of consuming data, or you should never use multiple methods to consume data. So here you know about this on off data. On off readable is also same like this event only data. We'll try to see it down. And pipe we'll learn about this one, or async iterators. This is the thing. So here the readable methods and events and everything is derived from the readable class. Let's try to see. Close. The close event is initiated just like the writable stream. Whenever the file descriptor has been closed, means then this close event will be fired. Data event you haven't seen. So whenever you want to read the data, means that you need to emit this data event. So then only you will be able to get the data. Attaching you need to attach a data event listener. So then you need to read the data. End. So when the read stream has been ended, means this end event will be emitted. So then you can attach this event listener and you can able to get the data, execute the logic. Error means if any error occurs in the readable stream, means then this event will be fired. Pause. The pause event, this one is emitted. This pause event will be emitted when you call the stream.pause. So when we will be calling the stream.pause, then this pause event will be emitted. So this is the readable event. This readable event is emitted when there is a data available to read from the stream up to the high configured high watermark. So normally the readable stream, the high watermark is 64 KB. So when the data in the internal buffer reaches 64 KB, then the readable event will be emitted. So then you can able to read the data. So this dot read, if you want to use it, means then it will be reading the data. So that is one thing. So if the end of the stream has been reached, calling stream.read will return null and trigger the end event. So now that's it. That's it all. So the resume event, you know about this resume event, and destroy event. So destroys the stream. So here closed. So it will return true if it is closed or not. Destroyed means if it is destroyed or not. Is paused means if it is paused or not. Pause means you can pause the stream. Pipe we'll try to see about this one. So you can apply pipe only to a readable stream. So you cannot apply to a writable stream the pipe thing. So when this will take the destination will be always a writable stream. So when you use the readable stream dot pipe of writable stream, means whatever the data is coming here, everything will be written in the writable stream, handling all the backpressure and everything will be taken care by that one. So there is no need to write all the code which we have learned up to now. So that is the main usage of this pipe. So always the pipe should be applied to a readable stream only, or duplex stream or transform stream also you can use it. Just I am trying to tell you where the duplex stream is a combination of both readable and writable. So I will explain these all the streams in the upcoming videos. So now here we will try to see about this one. So now here we will be able to see something like readable.read. Okay, we haven't seen this one now. The read means nothing but it will read the data from the internal buffer and return it. If no data is available, means then it will do like that. So you can practice this all the things. So then you will be able to understand. If you practice these all the things, then you will be able to understand these all things. Readable. So these are some experimental things. So here you will be able to see some readable length, the readable high watermark, and these all the things. Resume and set encoding. If you want to set the encoding, these are all the encoding. So these are all unpipe. If you want to remove the pipe, means you can use the unpipe. Unshift, this is in the old Node.js version. We will be using this one. So these are all methods. Okay, wrap. So these are all methods which we can use it. Okay, so these are all experimental thing. So which are coming in the experimental. So map means so you can in the chunks, whatever the chunks you are getting in the thing, you can filter over this one, which we have applied the filter, right? The same thing you can apply over the chunks, which we have applied is for each loop we have applied it, right? So you can apply the filter or map. These are all the things you can apply. So this is all for each we have applied the for each loop. So which we have seen it. So these are all just how we can see it. So these are all that some means it will stop immediately if the stream if the match is found. Fine. These are all array methods only, which you will be able to see. Flat map. These are all experimental mode which you are getting. So still it is in the stability, it is in the experimental mode only. Reduce. These are all array methods. Whatever the array methods are there, they are applying it. So this is basically the readable stream. So almost all the things we have completed it. We have covered in our readable stream thing. Hope you understood about this one. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.